yɛne DAASEBRE sɛ BONSU ɔtɔ so mmienu nana mampɔn hene yɛne ne nyinaa na wɔfie ha Good Friday Easter ne nyinaa yɛne ne wɔ ha afei ne ho dodɔ no ti yɛde no kɔ Kumasi nana ahema adaworoma yɛde no kɔ ayahwɛ pim so a ɔduma nkuma wuo a wonima de kyɛ wafa DAASEBRE sɛ BONSU kɔnsiedu
Asante manda sorry ya bue asembe na ye titi DAASEBRE OSEI BONSU ena okɔ akura yi na demri faduo na demri fadue DAASEBRE OSEI BONSU a ɔtɔso mienu Asante mampon hene yewo no eye 31st December 1939 na odi akonwa no so for 26 years Emra nana eko ni nkrechi no nana edi mfie 86 enti no eye saa video yi ye beka DAASEBRE OSEI BONSU the second ho abakwasem kakra ede achro enti nyaso ne fatie nenye ani ene emre kakra enso ne fahwe na ansa ye be begin no mepese Mikael say obe subscribe to the channel na wa share a video ama afofo enso ahwebi
Your Excellency, though it's a bit belatedly, but since you beckon us to be here, I'm rather turning it around. We graciously welcome you, sir.
Eye nana DAASEBRE OSEI BONSU the second. Eye Asante mampon hene. Yewo no eye 31st December 1939. Na odi eye Asante mampon akonwa no so for 26 years. Na kyerese yesi nana hene eye afe 1999 ene yesi nana hene. Nana edi mfie 86 years ansana otwa nananom. Na ansa nana ebeye nana ana obedi eye Asante mampon akonwa no na nana obibusa se na nana oye enipa ben na ne mfiti ase kra etisen enti mume yenhwe edin a eye nana awofo edima eye DAASEBRE OSEI BONSU the second edin a na awofo ewo no wonde ma no eye Oswald Jima Kesi eno ne eye nana edin a na awofo edeto no ansakra na oba bedi eye mampon hene na nana eko eye Prempeh College na owieye no osa eto aso eko eye University of Ghana a eno so owie fefefe na broni beka se owie University of Ghana no owie na onya eye Bachelor of Art Economics Political Science and Modern History na chese oba abakwasem ene amanwesem mu a na chese nana na odimu pa eye na owie eye ne first degree no ewo University of Ghana no nana ebeye adwuma ewo Ghana Commercial Bank na oye adwuma se oye assistant accountant nana ekoko school ahodo bebre ansa na nana esako eye University of Ghana ekosua eye law nti okosua law kakra owie ye no okoye adwuma ewo eye National Assembly na oye adwuma se assistant clerk ewo eye National Assembly of Ghana nana esa etu kwan eko eye abrochimemu na oko eye Manchester eye UK na okoye eye administrative course kakra enti no obaaye no osa ekoye adwuma ewo eye Kwame Nkrumah Suaponu na okoye assistant director academics and student affairs oye ya ekosi eye 1979 ansana obabeye eye registrar ewo eye Kwame Nkrumah Suaponu eye afe 1991 This is Nana ebeye Supreme Court lawyer. Bruni Beka say he was called to the bar. Afe 1980. Na obeye senior lawyer. Afe 1987. Na Nana ebedi akonwa no 1999 no. Nana ebeye the occupant of the silver stool of Asante. Nenti chese Asante hini eni hɔ a Nana DAASEBRE OSEI BONSU the second. Nana ehye Nana anamu. Na chese na dibra na Nana OSEI BONSU the second odi ewa Asante memu na enye ketwa kra. Nana eware na Nana yire a oware no na ne din de General Dorothy Owusu Secretary na wonu ewo emba inti no na chese bibi kakra yewo efa DAASEBRE OSEI BONSU the second eho ena yede ato edwa no o bibi nso kan obetumi aka de aka ho amaye share sa video we yema Asante manyina demrifa yema Nana mamponhene obia demrifa due yedo ase se wa hwe sa video
ka be ka sa kyerɛ me nam sɛ da bi me nyine sɛ obi akasa na yɛn Asante man mu ha de kasa aham ko ano enkure so machini me de Nana no machini madwuma me yɛ university e ma me chini ba bi e di wa boso am nko ya ham ko ana ba wonya asare kinzonko wonya we wa wonya amrahene wa wonya we wa wonya wa ni nyina di buoma Your Excellency, though it's a bit belatedly, but since you beckon us to be here, I'm rather turning it around. We graciously welcome you, sir, to our first meeting as the Standing Committee of the National House of Chiefs. We graciously do welcome you, and once again, congratulations. You've done well, and as majority of us anticipated, that you go through our normal constitutional provisions, etc., etc., Ghana is safe. We thank you again for that. There's peace prevailing in the kingdom. If the outgoing illustrious president couldn't set a good tone or set a good tone, a lot depended on you as incoming. Fortunately for Nananom and our respective kingdoms, you graciously also extended your arm with good, ample opportunity for you to meet the president, outgoing president, and the two of you together, everything prevail calm for Mother Ghana. We thank you once again for that. This is an important and impromptu meeting if just someone else, but as you touched on, we shall reserve a lot of the detailed discussion because there's a lot to be done. Because most of us have, at least I got to know it through TV3, that our ministry is no more than ministry as it is. There's a lot to be done. Population census, asem kese pa, juma kese pa. Enti ma this year, e ma pon ma this year. Ma mo fa ndi agro kora. Ma mo fa say ya de kitikiti TV. Se nyina TV kan bom. Na aban akrachefo ayi wo so wo mo bra no. Ye beba ye fie maako, ye beba ye adwumom, ye beba ye lorry park, ye beba any asabi ye adwuma o kiosk mu ne ma ni nyina wo beba. Ma obi enfa ndi agro ma this year. Ehia papa. Munua no ne yana ma wa buruchire ni ade nyina sese ofo amia me ba panyini doctor o wa buruchire mabo no dini mabo bibia munna nanom num nua no wa buruchire nya mo obi a dini nkyere wo mo mba fia nya de a ye bibia ehu sa no na ama no ne no ye diplomatic missions o so be di achi no mapo mo dini ni nema nya me kan nyina ase ne se mo di agoro na mo dwani dwane aban akrachefo aba no a Yenia Mampoma Muha, never high. And they say, ye are population census number being Tada, dear, and say not President Kufuano, and then could you won't come up, was only 500,000 pay. And some him sending a borsa, to never move any agro. Would be a fee more by one can't. Ye nananom panifo a ɛwɔ ewuram yɛ dɔfoɔ ni nneɛma mo obi ɛgyene census ni ewie na sɛ mampɔma mu ha mo de mo asiesie ni ewie ase na asɛm na number na ba nipa ba mo yɛ ketewa bi aban ɛkyɛ sika wɔkyɛ adwuma wɔ Ghana man mu ha a ɛfrɛ ne development projects ne nneɛma na kakra bi na yɛde bɛbrɛ yɛn mo to mo assembly ne yɛde kakra bi na aba na abɛhwɛ kuro kɛseɛ da bi a sɛ bɛ yɛ kuro kɛseɛ ne Kumase hɔ nko ano so Mampoma Muhammad say a dozen. Timo be and friend Diagro. A here, papa. Population census, and then a bois a buying. Mohun said, Ghana.
I am grateful for the fact that those requests that were granted have brought Mampong this far in terms of socio-economic development, thereby giving the people some level of hope and satisfaction. I therefore wish to encourage Nananom and the people of Mampong to support any political regime to govern the country successfully, regardless of their political affiliation. Ghana requires the collective efforts of you and I to develop beyond its current state, and we should bear in mind that a prosperous Ghana will benefit all its inhabitants. Commending the current region